A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. As on last turn of your English online class, I explained one of the very important question from your textbook, and the chapter was the enemy. So today we'll see the second question. Dr. Sadao was compelled by his duty as a doctor to help the enemy soldier. What made Hannah, his wife, sympathetic to him in the face of open defiance from the domestic staff. Domestic staff means they had one maid, and what happens, how much bad she feels when she refuses. Defiance means an open refuse of accepting or obeying an order of the masters. So here she was very much disturbed. Hannah was disturbed. So here the question is that Dr. Sadao was compelled by his duty as a doctor to help the enemy soldier. What made Hannah, his wife, sympathetic to him? When she felt, means in the beginning she too doesn't want that his husband should take care of an enemy soldier, but later when she feels that my husband is trying to fulfill his duty as a doctor, and other people, even their mistress, their maid also refuses to accept the order and to do something in favor of the doctor or the enemy soldier. So she felt or she feels very much sympathetic towards her husband, and she thinks that she should at least listen and assist him. So here we can write the answer like Dr. Sadao and his wife Hannah together lifted the wounded man and um, came to the house with the wounded man. They brought him to an empty bedroom in their house. The man was very dirty, means he was looking very, means his torn clothes and the dust and mud was all over the body because he fell there in the mud. Dr. Sadao was very helpless that time. He could not understand that what to do, so he could not leave the wounded man alone there. As a doctor, he decided to take care of the patient. In the beginning, Hannah was against it. She suggested that the maid Yumi could wash the man. When she was asked, Hannah was asked that she's supposed to wash the face and upper body of the wounded prisoner. So she refused that. She said no. So here two times, like from his wife, Dr. Sadao faces this defiance, and later Hannah herself she faces that, and when she faces the same defiance from her domestic staff, from her maid, she felt very bad, and then she realizes that how much bad her husband would have felt. So here means she asks her maid that can you wash his face. So Yumi could wash, she said, but she refused. Dr. Sadao examined the man again and remarked that the man would die unless he was operated upon at once. He left the room to bring his surgical instrument. The servants did not approve of their master's decision to heal the wound of a white man. Even Yumi refused to wash the white man's face. There was so fierce a look of resistance upon Yumi's round, dull face that Hannah felt unreasonably afraid. Then she said with dignity that they only wanted to bring him to his sense. Means she also was very much afraid that time when as a servant, being a servant, maid cannot refuse the order of their masters, but she refused. So she had to maintain, Miss Hannah, as a doctor's wife, she had to maintain the dignity also. So, with full dignity, she said that we only wanted to bring him back to his senses so that they would turn him over as a prisoner. However, Yumi refused to have anything to do with him. Hannah asked Yumi gently to return to her work. She felt very bad, but she could not even shout at her. She could not even speak anything to her because she knew it very well that whatever they are doing on the humanitarian ground, they are doing very well. But as a citizen of the country, they should not give shelter to any prisoner. Then this the open defiance from the domestic staff hurts Hannah's feelings. She had told the servants to do what their master commanded them. She was convinced of her own superiority. She now became sympathetic to her husband and helped him in his efforts to heal the wounded man, though the sight of the white man was repulsive to her. She washed his face and the upper body. She prepared herself to give him the anesthetic. Means anesthesia is given to the person who is taken for the operation, before the operation. So, according to her husband instruction, she gave the medicine. She gave the injection, and then she had never been the part of any operation earlier. Though her husband was a doctor, so this time it was an opportunity for her to see, to become the eyewitness of the operation. So this time she was standing there, but as soon he started the operation, she choked and her face turned pale like sulfur. Sulfur, a chemical substance. Okay, she felt like vomiting and left for a while. So here we see that as being a wife of Dr. Sadao, she doesn't means she doesn't want that her husband should feel alone, and he was doing something for the for mankind. It was not she was not able to accept that my husband is doing anything wrong. That's why she made her mind and she helped him. She returned after means after some time. She came back to the room. She gave the wounded man injection, and she cooperated with her husband fully to save the wounded man. So here, students, you have to explain, you have to write each and every detail of that time when they brought the patient, the wounded soldier, enemy soldier we can say, to their house, and they wanted to keep it a secret that they have given treatment to such a person. But since they had their mate also, so they could not hide anything because from their side they were not doing anything wrong. So even all the things means all those small things which they felt the time of treatment, you have to write. Okay, and the conversation between the maid and Hannah is very important. That also at least 2 3 lines should be written clearly when she defines the order of her mistress. Okay, so now second question I made you write. Question number 3 and 4 you'll have to write yourself. You just write in the copy and keep it for the correction, so that when school opens, we'll correct the copies. This time to time I am telling you that school has to open anyhow. Okay, it is delaying day by day. It is not sure till now that when schools are going to open, but schools have to open, that we know very well. Okay, so whenever school opens, all the works, the written works, all the classwork copies will be checked by all the subjects teacher. Okay, so please don't ignore it. Write everything whatever your teachers ask you to write in the classwork copy. Okay, thank you.